We've been making assignments for years. We grab specific questions from a bank of questions, put them in order, and students answer them. They get some right, they get some wrong, they get a grade. But what if you could make an assignment that adapted to each student and help them identify their areas of weakness in real time and provide additional instruction and remediation so that instead of memorizing a bunch of stuff for their upcoming exam, they actually understood the material? Well, we can. Let me show you. Making an adaptive assignment starts just like any other assignment, but instead of making a question set where we pick each question ourselves, we select adaptive assignment instead. The next step is simply to either make a new adaptive assignment or reassign one you've made before. Let's make a new one. Now, we'll name our assignment and set our total point value. With an adaptive assignment, you set an intent or purpose for the assignment. Is this a pre-lecture assignment where the student reviews instructional material and answers questions to get their feet wet before class? Or is it a practice assignment, our most robust option, and one you might assign for a homework that really takes advantage of the adaptive engine and provides students with an in-the-moment instruction to help bridge those gaps between having read the material to understanding it? It could also be a review assignment to help your students identify which areas they need to focus on before an exam or other high-stakes assessment. With these options, it allows you to focus and guide your students through their learning experience. This is an adaptive assignment, so no two students are going to have the exact same experience. If one student understands the material better than another, they'll progress through the material quicker and have less questions. When it comes to grading, it isn't a one-to-one ratio. They're not all answering the same number of questions. So how do we grade this? Grading thresholds. As students progress through the assignment, working their way to 100% completion and understanding of the subject as it's presented, they can reach grading thresholds. So upon reaching the due date, they'll earn the number of points associated with the highest progress they've made during the time they could work on the assignment for credit. And just below this, we can even allow for students to earn credit after the due date. Next, we're going to select the content for the assignment. And whether you're selecting an entire chapter or specific sections within a chapter, you'll see an estimated completion time and total number of questions that the average student would have based on what you've selected. Our studies have shown that students feel a higher sense of satisfaction and accomplishment with smaller assignments, and much happier to take 2 30-minute assignments than 1 hour-long assignment. So don't be surprised if you get a message indicating that your assignment might take a longer time to finish if you add too many learning objectives. We're not going to stop you. This is your assignment, but we recommend breaking the content down into smaller assignments. At this point, we click Create and finish making the assignment as you would any other, confirming the total points and entering in your due date. I hope this helps, and please don't hesitate to reach out to your customer success manager for assistance. And if you don't know who your CSM is, please email customersuccess@wiley.com and we'll get you connected with them right away. Have a great semester.